Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Pojav Launcher for iOS and Android. So this is a app, and basically it lets you play the Java version of Minecraft on your phone, like your iPhone or your Android. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So you just press play now, and it like loads, and then it finds you like a good version for yourself, and then you just go ahead and press launch, and it will start launching. So as you can see, guys, we are being on Minecraft right now, so we're just going to wait for it to load right here. As you can see, there's also mods you can do, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is the real Pojav launcher. So I'm going to press OK, and then the game is ready. So super cool, guys, as you can see, all the stuff. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first step is going to be going to the browser, go to tweakmod.com, and just type in Pojav, and as you can see, here's the Pojav Launcher app. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step, and basically what it is before you can install it, you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, which is 100% for free to do from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, but it's very important that you do this step because what happens is the device cannot know who you are, and it can't download the Pojav launcher unless you do the verification. So you kind of have to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's going to load right here. So we're just going to give it a second to load up. And then basically it's going to say like missing files. So what you want to do is just download 2 of these apps. They don't have to be the same ones as me, but you can see like Travel Town says reach level 9, same with the Merge Garden. But like the fax one's pretty easy. You could just do TikTok, where you just gotta download it and run it for 30 seconds. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. I'll see you later, but that is how to get it onto your device. The Pojav launcher for iOS and Android. So you could do this Lumo VPN. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's not very hard. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, peace out, guys. That's how to get Pojav launcher, bro. Fully working, bro. That is crazy. I am not someone that knows about this stuff, but now I have Pojav Launcher for iOS and Android, guys. Fully working app, super cool, and it's on iOS, it's on Android, it's everywhere I look. So that is so cool, guys. All the settings are here, as you can see, super crazy. So if you guys do need this, you're gonna love it. There's so much that I don't even understand, but it's real, guys. So try it out.